Hello, I'm Tracy Birch. I've been supported by the Community 2.0 with the RNIB Cymru Get Connected project. I've been supported by Darren Williams. Computers have always been obviously in the house through the children, but I've never had the technology or anything to do it because of my sight and the confidence. I couldn't see and I used to get headaches and the frustration. The computer screens were too small. And it just gave me no ability to be able to do it. I would have liked to have helped my daughter with her homework. I would have liked to have done online shopping. As I've always relied on them to do buying and stuff on the internet for me. I've just emails. I've learned this how to do emails, which I never could do emails before. Use Facebook, which through the project I am now doing. If I didn't have Darren working with me, I wouldn't have been able to use Facebook. I wouldn't have been able to do an email, send an attachment, which is I've done my very first attachment. I wouldn't have been doing my degree. There is no way I'd have had confidence to do a degree because I never thought I would be able to do something like that. And I'd done my online shopping on my own at Christmas.
My name's Darren Williams. I work for a Communities 2.0 initiative, which is run by RNIB Cymru, and it's called the Get Connected project. I contacted Tracy, we arranged a suitable time and date where I could come and meet her for the first time. The first session was very much about finding out her interests, finding out what support we can provide. Also, sort of what experience she has with the computer and with technology as well. And I think really is just building that rapport, just so we know sort of what pace to go at and things like that. Subsequent sessions from then, we started introducing different technology, a range of sort of different magnification software, and also a range of screen readers as well. So really finding out which one sort of suited Tracy best. And then once, I suppose once we had those foundations, we started looking at the ease of access settings, so making the icons bigger, making text a bit clearer, and sort of progressively brought different activities in then to sort of bring Tracy's confidence and motivation forward.
This video was made by the Welsh Government Digital Inclusion Programme Communities 2.0, which is helping communities and small enterprises make the most of the internet and other digital technologies.